All right, we're going to change our mind frame to radicals. These ones hopefully will be a lot quicker than those other ones were. First thing we're going to do the square root of a perfect square. These are both perfect squares. 4 we know is a perfect square. When a variable has an exponent, if it's even, it is also a perfect square. When we do the square root of something with an even exponent, we take out half of that exponent because the index to the square root is really 2. They just don't write it there. We know the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of y to the 8th is going to be y to the 4th. If you took 2y to the 4th times 2y to the 4th, you get the 4y to the 8th. That's what a square root is. What times itself gives me this value underneath. So, if we are going to do the square root of 16x to the 12th, the square root of 16 is
8.
not 8?
4.
4. 4 times 4 is 16. The square...
Okay.
8 times 8 would be 64.
Oh yeah, you're right. Okay.
So the square root of 16 is 4. The square root of x to the 12th is x to the 6th. So if you took a 4x to the 6th times a second 4x to the 6th, you get 16x to the 12th. So what would be the square root of 36w squared?
No, wait, let me think.
What's the square root of 36?
What is the square root of 36?
Six, right? 6 times
Yeah.
6 is 36. You do have a square root button on your calculator. It's right over here, right? Right next to the fraction button. So square root of 36 is 6, because 6 times 6 is 36. What's the square root of w squared?
1.
W to the first, which is just w, right? So if you took a 6w times a second 6w, you get 36w squared.